Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a question. What if you could go back in time and avoid the mistakes that held you back? What if you could sidestep the pitfalls that drained your wallet, your energy, and maybe even your confidence? Today, I want to share something deeply personal with you. The investing mistakes I wish I'd avoided. Mistakes that cost me not just money but valuable time. Mistakes that taught me lessons the hard way. I want to tell you these stories not to dwell on the past, but to show you how these moments shaped my journey, and hopefully, to help you avoid making the same errors. You see, when I first started investing, I was filled with excitement. I thought, this is it. This is my ticket to financial freedom. And I'll be honest, I got caught up in the hype. One of my earliest mistakes was chasing the latest hot stock. Everyone was talking about it. It was on the news, in forums, even at family dinners. I thought, if everyone's in, I should be too, right? Wrong. I poured my savings into a company I barely understood. I didn't research its fundamentals. I didn't ask if it was overvalued. I didn't even think about the risks. I just bought in. And what happened? The hype fizzled, the stock plummeted, and I was left staring at a red number on my screen, wondering what went wrong. That experience taught me a painful but invaluable lesson. Investing isn't about following the crowd. It's about understanding value, doing your homework, and thinking long-term. When you chase trends, you're not investing, you're gambling. But that wasn't the only mistake. Oh no, there was another big one: impatience. You see, I expected overnight success. I thought the market would reward me instantly because, after all, wasn't I doing everything right? I bought good companies, so why wasn't I rich yet? I started jumping from one investment to another, selling too soon, buying too late, and racking up fees that ate away at my returns. It's funny. Now I look back and realize that the market rewards patience. Time is your greatest ally when you're investing. Compound interest isn't a quick win. It's a slow, steady climb. But my impatience robbed me of that growth. And then there was fear. Fear of missing out. Fear of losing money. Fear of making the wrong choice. Fear made me hesitate when I should have acted. It made me sell when I should have held. It's ironic, isn't it? Fear is supposed to protect us. But in investing, it often does the opposite. It clouds your judgment and leads to bad decisions. Now let me share the moment that changed everything for me. After years of mistakes, I hit a breaking point. I decided to step back and truly educate myself. I read books. I listened to podcasts. I studied the strategies of successful investors. And slowly, things started to click. I began to see investing not as a game, but as a disciplined process. A marathon, not a sprint. I learned to diversify, to spread my investments across different asset classes so that a loss in one area wouldn't sink my entire portfolio. I learned to focus on quality, to invest in companies and assets with strong fundamentals. And most importantly, I learned to manage my emotions. Because at the end of the day, your mindset is just as important as your strategy. Now, why am I telling you all this? Because I want you to know that mistakes are part of the journey. They're not the end of the road. They're stepping stones to becoming a smarter, stronger investor. And if you're watching this, you already have something that many people lack: the willingness to learn. So take my story as a guide. Do your research. Be patient. Manage your emotions. And remember, investing is not about perfection. It's about progress. Every mistake you avoid, every lesson you learn, brings you closer to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. And if this resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need to hear it. And subscribe for more insights on building your financial future. Let's grow together. I'll see you in the next one.